Chris, you okay? Chris.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Yeah.
I'm fine, I'm fine. Oh my god. 7-2 to uniform, contact on Suffolk Street. We have shots fired, over. Shots fired.
Put the gun down! Armed police! Put the gun down! Put it down! Put the gun down! Put it down!
It's okay. You're okay. Stevie, slow down. Slow down.
Chris.
No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Hello. I'm Grace. What's your name? Stevie. Stevie, put the gun down. Put the gun down and come here. It's okay. You're all right. I'm Grace. This is Stevie.
Right, man.
Sweetheart, do you want to tell us what your name is? What's your name? It's okay. They're just here to help, all right? Do you want me to ask them if they can just give us some space? Okay, move away, everyone. Just move away. Move back. Okay, it's all right. You're fine. I can see you still got the gun in your hand. Just here. Okay, it's all right. I don't want anyone to get hurt. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to move in slowly, and I'm going to take the gun away from you, all right? But I'm just going to move in now. Okay, don't worry. I'm just going to take the gun really slowly, okay? Okay? It's all right. Yes. There you go. Well done. You've done so well. Well done. Well done. Henry! Mom!
Wait, stop. Stay back.
Get the fucking hands off me!
Henry, I'm here, okay?
It's all right. It's all right.